Welcome to the property that is your gateway to a student dreamland. Conveniently close to top universities and a chic neighborhood, this student housing encapsulates the essence of the city that never sleeps. Imagine yourself in this fully furnished flat with 6 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The bedrooms are adorned with cozy queen beds, a study desk and chair, and a bedside cabinet both fitted with night lamps. Store your clothes in the spacious closet and enjoy pristine bathrooms. The common lounge space is full of plush chairs to sink into as you make new bonds. The shared kitchen and dining space facilitate culinary adventures with a microwave and oven, gas stove, utensils, fridge, and a round dining table with chairs. In addition, the building houses a sunlit backyard and rooftop, as well as a proper gym and a laundry space with washers. Enjoy the convenience of weekly housekeeping, high-speed Wi-Fi, and AC, ensuring your stay is as stylish as the city itself. Speaking of the location, is ideal for students attending Brooklyn Law School, NYU, or Hult International Business School. You're also sitting amidst a thriving culinary scene from Wyckoff Restaurant to quaint cafes like Cute Cat Cafe. Immerse yourself in New York's nightlife at Halsey Ale House. Explore nearby parks and cultural landmarks, creating a balanced student life. Don't just live in New York, live the New York experience at 482 Seneca Ave. Discover a treasure trove of delights and details on amberstudent.com.